about 30 minutes into a 15-hour journey and we already got an engine light. This is not good news. I can probably drive it like this, but the car is heavy, underpowered. Like now, I'm flat foot. I don't know if I'll be able to reach home in this state. But what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you have seen the previous video, you would have seen that we bought a new car in Cape Town. If you haven't seen that, I would highly suggest that. I'm gonna link it up. I guess it's this corner.
Nope.
I'm gonna link it there so you can go and check it out if you haven't already. But what we are going to do today, I'm actually leaving in a couple of hours. I'm leaving tomorrow morning at 3 o'clock. It's now 4 o'clock. So I'll be leaving in less than 12 hours, 11 hours to be exact. So what I'm going to do now, I'm here at a shop at the moment. It's actually a subscriber on the channel, and they offered that I can come here and service the car before I drive it back home. So I'm going to do plugs, cabin filter, air filter, oil filter and new oil, and then the car should be ready to head home. There was one issue where it kept on throwing a battery light saying that the battery is low, and I just checked all the terminals and make sure that they're all tight. They don't look in the best condition, to be honest. This one has seen better days. I'll probably sort it out whenever we get home and can get our hands on some parts, but that's gonna have to do for now. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the service now, and I'm probably going to enjoy last night here in Cape Town. I'm probably gonna meet up with some more people. Yesterday we met up with Brink, where I bought the Polo's motor. We met up with him and his friends, and then this is also a subscriber on the channel. So tonight I might actually go through and meet up with more people, but we'll see how it all unravels. So I'm gonna go ahead, service the car, and yeah, take you guys with me through that. Just now busy putting a helicoil in there. Let me actually stand this side. So they were just putting a helicoil in for me at the moment. One of the plugs, the second one, had a strip bolt, so it wouldn't tie the coil pack down, so we're just sorting that out. And then this is what actually came out, the fuel filter. So this thing was definitely due for a service. This is not coke, this is dirt. Came out from the fuel filter. At first I didn't know there was a fuel filter, because on the internet they say that there isn't, but apparently, or the fuel filter is in the tank, but apparently there's two different versions. So I'm glad we changed this. Should make the car feel a lot better. When I first bought it, I didn't explain to you guys in the previous video, but when I first bought it, the car was sluggish. It was jerking down low at low RPM, and I'll show you guys what the plugs look like as well. That came out, those things were toast. The oil was pitch black. You saw what the fuel filter looks like. So this thing was in desperate need of a service, and I'm pretty sure it's going to drive a lot better than what it did when I first got it. Currently around 3:35 AM. Tired of once again, ran up the stairs. I'm about to head out now. As you can see, 1,470 kilometers, 13 hours, so I should be able to make up some good time from now till the sun comes out, but I'm gonna plan to send it in around 12 hours, make it one trip if possible. Let's see how it goes. Hope the car takes me home. About 30 minutes into a 15-hour journey, and we already got an engine light. The car was throwing the engine light for emissions. I saw yesterday when we serviced the car that there was no cat in it, so this is not good news. I can probably drive it like this, but the car is heavy underpowered. Like now I'm flat foot, so it is not good. I tried switching it on and off, but it seems like a permanent error, so I don't know if I'll be able to reach home in this state, but let's see how the day goes.